Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together, so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes,
this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. It's so good to see you again. How's everyone doing today?
Haha, I hope you're doing great. And maybe not too stressed about homework.
Ha ha, oh yes, today's topic is something we all know too well. Homework talk, asking about assignments.
We'll learn how to ask and talk about homework in English, naturally like friends do.
And we've got a short story, some new vocabulary, and a few real life expressions to make your English sound more fluent.
Let's start with a little story.
Okay, picture this. It's Sunday evening. You're sitting on your bed and suddenly you think,
Wait, did we have math homework?
classic moment. So you grab your phone and text your classmate.
Hey, do you remember what the homework was for English class?
That's a very natural way to ask. You can also say, what's our homework for English? Did we have any assignments today? Could you remind me what we had to do?
Nice. And if you want to answer that question, you can say, yeah, we have to write a short paragraph about our weekend. No homework today. Lucky us.
I like that one. Lucky us.
Let's go over some keywords you can use in homework talk.
1. Assignment. Something your teacher asks you to do. Example, our assignment is to write a story. 2. When something must be finished. Example, the homework is due on Monday. 3. Submit, to give your homework to the teacher. Example, I submitted my homework online. 4. Group project, something you do with other students. Example, we have a group project in science.
Great. Now let's practice pronunciation and rhythm together.
Repeat after us. Assignment, do, submit. Group project.
Perfect.
Here are some expressions native speakers use. When talking about homework, I'm swamped with homework, meaning I'm very busy with it. Better late than never, when you finish homework late but still do it. I'll pull an all-nighter, meaning I'll stay up all night to finish it.
I've definitely pulled a few all-nighters in college. Not fun.
Same here. But remember, doing your homework. Little by little is better than rushing at the end.
Let's practice together. I'll be the student asking, and you can repeat after me. Hey, what's the homework for tomorrow?
It's a short writing task, just one paragraph.
Oh, thanks. I almost forgot.
No problem. Better to ask than to miss it.
Nice job.
Today, you learned how to talk about homework in real, friendly English.
You learned words like assignment, due, submit, and expressions like pull an all-nighter.
Remember, homework isn't just about finishing tasks. It's about training your brain every day.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and you'll get better and better.
We believe in you.
Thanks for watching Amjee's English World. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more story-based English lessons.
See you next time, friends, and don't forget your homework.